Hello, welcome to Retail-Outsource. My name is Seb, and today I'm going to show you how to search on eBay. So, if you are purchasing a new item, there are a lot of filters that eBay provide. So we can utilize those filters to, get our item very quickly. And this is on the side if you are purchasing a new item. And they have also introduced a search box on the purchase side as well. It was not there. It was a recent introduction. So I will go through both of these sides. First, with the buying side. So if you are searching for anything, you can use those filters. So I'm just going to show you some of the example. So in this example, I'm just going to search for a caravan. So my requirements are like it need to sleep four people, and I have a specific brand in my mind. So I'm just going to start by caravan. So normally, eBay system is quite intelligent. It will know exactly what you're searching and which category it falls into. So if I search caravan, so it selects automatically the category like campers and caravan. You can see. Normally, if you want to search here, you can select all categories and see some. What happens is that some people will list in different categories, and those listing might will not show on the main one. So it's always a good thing to search over there, and it might be a good deal as well. And from here, you can see the sleeping capacity on the left hand side. So you can select. If I select four, you can see there are 709 listings are there under four, and axles. There are a lot of filters that you can select, so you can narrow it down. Instead of scrolling through all the listings. But this only applies if you know what you want. If you're just scrolling, that's fine. But if you know what you want, you can just filter it down, because normally you can see there are 4,255 listings there on caravan. So it will take a lot of time if you just scroll. Instead, you can just filter according to your requirements. And those are the filters on the left hand side. And you can caravan, basically you want to get something nearby, so you can just select the miles if you want as well. Put your postcode, and you can say, okay, I want this within this mile. So you can use this item filter, and the price range, and the condition as well. So there is color, number of bedroom, type, features. There are plenty of filters, and this will change for different items, not just caravan. So based on the item that you want, it will change. For example, if it's a TV, and there'll be filters like HDMI port, or smart TV, or the size, or 4K. There'll be plenty of filters um, based on the category. And sometimes what will happen is that normally it will show like this. It will be on list format. So you can see there is only three. You can see from the starting page. So you can just switch to gallery view in that case. So you'll be able to see much more listings. And from here, you can always search for the nearest first, or the newly listed. Always keep an eye on the newly listed listing, because that's where a lot of good offer. If they have listed on the market, if it priced well, it will sell out straight away. So always keep an eye on the newly listed item. So this is the search function for the if you are buying an item. I will switch back to the purchase history. So if you want to search for an item which you already purchased, then you can always use this facility here. So you can see, if you go from here, my eBay, and then click on purchase history, you can see a search box here. So you just basically have to input the keyword that you want to look for, and then search for it. And you can search any orders from the last 60 days, and You can go by year and then search for it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, please do comment down in the description. Thanks a lot for watching.
And remember, if you sell on eBay or Amazon and have a few questions, then you can also book a free 30-minute consultation from the link in the description below.